Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start today's Tech Talks with Redmi. Redmi is going to launch its Redmi Note 11S on 9th of February in India. This smartphone will have 6.67-inch FHD plus 90Hz refresh rate AMOLED display, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 108 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HM2 sensor main camera, plus 8 megapixel wide angle camera, plus 2 megapixel macro, plus 2 megapixel depth sensor quad rear camera setup, 13 megapixel selfie snapper, MediaTek Helio G95 processor, Android 11 with MIUI 12.5 or MIUI 13, and could come in India in 6/664, 6/128 and 8/128 GB variants. Oppo is going to launch its Oppo Reno 7 series on 4th of February in India. Realme 9 Pro Plus high quality renders and expected specifications have been leaked by OnLeaks. This smartphone could have 6.43-inch FHD plus AMOLED 90Hz refresh rate display, in-display fingerprint sensor, MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor, 50 megapixel main camera with the OIS plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera plus 2 megapixel macro camera triple rear camera setup with customized Sony sensor, 16 megapixel selfie snapper, 4500 mAh battery, could come in a single variant of 8GB to 56GB and could be available in midnight black, aurora green and sunrise blue colors. Not only Realme 9 Pro Plus, but the younger brother, that is Realme 9 Pro, expected specifications and high quality renders have also been leaked by OnLeaks. This smartphone could have 6.59-inch FHD plus AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution HDR10 plus display, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, Snapdragon 695 5G processor, 64 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper, 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt charging, 3.5 mm audio jack, LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 2.2 storage, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, 5GB virtual RAM support, Android 12, and could come in 6GB 128GB and 8GB 128GB variants. MICROMAX launched its MICROMAX in Note 2 in India. This smartphone has 6.43-inch FHD plus 60Hz refresh rate, 550 nits peak brightness AMOLED display, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 48 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel quad rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper, MediaTek Helio G95 processor, liquid cooling technology, 5000 mAh battery with 30 watt charging, LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 2.2 storage, 3.5 mm audio jack, stock Android 11 experience. This smartphone is 8.34 mm thick, it weighs 205 grams, it has a single speaker, it is available in black and oak colors. This smartphone is launched in a single variant of 4GB 64GB at a price of Rs 13,490, but during the introductory offer, it is being sold at 12,490 rupees. Infinix is soon going to launch its 5G smartphone in African and Asian markets. This smartphone could have 120Hz refresh rate IPS LCD display, MediaTek Dimensity 900 5G processor, 48 megapixel triple rear camera setup with 30x digital zoom and dual rear flash. NUBIA REDMAGIC 7 series will feature 165 watt fast charging support. Vivo Pad with the model number PA2170 receives 3C certification. A new Vivo smartphone with the model number V2170A has been spotted on 10R certification. It could be Vivo Nex 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. These both receives NBTC certification. Samsung Galaxy A22e 5G receives Bluetooth SIG certification. Xiaomi 11i Indian variant receives Bluetooth SIG certification. Realme C35 receives Indian BIS certification. Realme Narzo 50A Prime is spotted on TKDN certification. Samsung Galaxy S22 series receives NBTC certification. Realme 9 with the model number RMX 3388 has been spotted on Indian BIS certification, EEC certification, FCC certification, and the first look of the same has been revealed. NUBIA REDMAGIC 7 with the model number NX679J has been spotted on FCC certification. Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G with the model number RMX 3393 has been spotted on Geekbench database website. This is all in today's Tech Talks. I hope you like it. Now, I will see you all on Friday with the next episode of Tech Talks by PALLAV. Signing out for now. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and don't forget to wear the mask.